started out all lowercase with dashes. Then we pivoted. So for the applications themselves, I was hardcore about just doing sentence case because I just don't want to deal. Like I know a lot of great companies doing sentence case now. I'm super tired of like, make this camel case, oh, or use title casing here. Oh no, you're using AP title casing or not AP title casing. So sentence case is like the no-brainer, I think, for alleviating all of that for the system. And then for menus, we do use title casing for those. Feels human readable when you're using a menu in Figma is how we've been kind of splitting it up. But yeah, there's lots of stuff like that, right? Like what are you going to use for your grid system? So we're on an 8-pixel grid system, which we use 4/8 pixels so that we can use 4 for vertical rhythms with baseline grids, which, that's how we work to get the whole team measuring their components and their spacing between components the same ways.
And the naming system, the naming convention is a perfect example. Rahmeen and myself were absolutely 100% sure that we want kind of lowercase, dash, no space. And we have worked for 6 months like this, and some designer came back and fight us on this. That's like children. You have to choose your battle. So and then at the end of the day, being open-minded and to listen to the people is important. So I think Rahmeen and myself now are okay with it. That's a kind of example where you need to listen to everybody's opinion and not be too stubborn on what you think is right.